Okay, 4.2, day 2, we're going to keep multiplying polynomials. Let's see. Answers in standard form were appropriate. Okay, let's look at the first one. A, this is a monomial times a polynomial, so we're just going to distribute. This shouldn't be bad. Just 5, 10. X to the third times x to the fourth. I'm going to add the exponents. Next one, what is that? Negative 14. X to the 3 plus 2 is 5. And then the last one, plus 2x to the third. Any like terms? No like terms. It's already in standard form. It's perfect. Okay, same on the next one. Just watch your signs. Negative 5x times x to the second. Negative 5. X times x to the second. Seventh is x to the eighth. Negative 5 times negative 3 is positive 15. X times x to the fourth is 1 plus 4. X to the fifth. Negative 5 times negative 2, positive 10. X times x is x squared. Negative 5 times 11, negative 55. X. No like terms, already in standard form. Okay, for C, it's a binomial times a trinomial. You can do the box method or you can distribute. It doesn't matter which way you do it. I'm going to distribute, but box method, same. Okay, let's see. 15x to the third. 4x, 12x to the second. 3x times 1 minus 3x. Okay, now I'm going to do the next three as well. Some people like to do this with the vertical method, so I'm going to show you that, but you can also just do the horizontal method. If I do 2 times 5x squared, I get positive 10x squared, so some people like to line it up under the like terms. 2 times 4x plus 8x. 2 times negative 1 minus 2. Okay, I'm going to combine my like terms. 15x to the third. 22x to the second, positive 5x, and minus 2. And if you did box method, that's fine. If you did it horizontal method, that's fine too, as long as we're getting the same answer. This is just a nice way to match up your like terms a little bit easier. Okay, let's look at D. If you're working ahead, that's fine. It's a trinomial by a binomial. If the order really bothers you, you can switch it around. You can still do box method. You can still do distributive property. I'm going to distribute. I'm going to do it the way it's written, which means I'm going to have multiple things. So that's x to the third minus 2x squared. Okay, now I'm going to go to the 5x. So 5x times x is 5x squared minus 10x. Okay, now let me go to the minus 7. Minus 7x. Minus 7 times minus 2 plus 14. Okay, so I have 6 terms. If you want to make sure you get everything, this is 3 terms by 2 terms. 3 times 2 is 6. I should have 6 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got all the terms. Okay, since I didn't do it vertically, I need to look for the like term. So I have, but they're next to each other. Minus 2x squared plus 5x squared. So that's positive 3x squared. And I have minus 10x minus 7x. So minus 17x. And then I bring down the positive 14. And if you did a different method, we should still get the same answer. And if it's in standard form, it should be the exact same method. Okay, let's go ahead. I'm going to do the box method on this one, just to make sure that people remember how to do it if they like it. Since this is a binomial by a trinomial, I need a box to be 2 by 3. It does not matter which side's 2 and which side's 3. But some people like this because it helps organize their work. Okay, so 5x minus 1, I do need to put that on the side with 2. And then x squared minus 3x, and then positive 4. So 5x, x squared, x cubed, minus x squared minus 15x plus 3x. Oh, I forgot the squared there, didn't I? Let me double check this because I already made a mistake. Okay, 5x, x squared, x cubed. Negative 1 times x squared. 5x times negative 3, negative 15x squared. Negative 1 times negative 3, positive 3x. 5x times 4, 20x, negative 1 times 4. Okay, I think I got it. I'm going to write the answer in standard form. So 5x cubed is first. And then what's next? I got the negative 15, negative 1, x squared, so negative 16x squared. And then I have the 20x plus the 3x, so I have 23x's. And then I got minus 4. Okay, it's in standard form, so it should match even if you did a different method. Okay, now I'm going to multiply 3 binomials, which we have not done, but there's no reason we can't do it. Okay, when you multiply three binomials, just like when you multiply three numbers, it doesn't matter the order you multiply them, but you're going to multiply each one time. Let's see, I'm going to do distributing on the first one. Now I have x plus 2 times x plus 3 times x plus 4. You can start with whichever two you want. No, they don't look hard or easy, so I'm going to start with these two. If I multiply those, what do I get? I get x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6, so that's x squared plus 5x plus 6. Okay, that's good, but then we still have that x plus 4 at the end. Okay, so I need to take my answer to this, and I still need to times it by the x plus 4. If you'd rather have the x plus 4 on this side, you can put it on that side since the order we multiply doesn't matter. And now I still need to multiply this. So now I have x cubed plus 4x squared plus 5x squared plus 20x. Okay, now this is 3 times 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I got everything. So let me combine my like terms. Okay, and then that is my answer in standard form. And if you did it, multiplied in a different order, like you did this times this first, and you multiplied the answer times this, you would get the same result. So it's up to you how you would like to do it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and look at the next one. I'm going to box method it this time, but if you're more comfortable distributing, keep distributing it. Okay, again, it does not matter which two you do first. Sometimes something looks much easier and I'll do it first. If not, I'll just start with the first two. So let me box this. So what do I get? I get 3x squared, 5x minus 3x minus 5. So let me put the result over here. So I have 3x squared, 5x minus 3x is 2x minus 5. Okay, but then don't forget I still need to times it by the 2x plus 1. Now if you like the box method, we can use the box method again. Okay, it's 2 by 3 this time. Doesn't matter which side's 2 or 3 as long as I get all the terms. Six x cubed, 3x squared, 4x squared, 2x minus 10x minus 5. Okay, let's do our like terms. 6x cubed, 3x squared, 4x squared, 7x squared, negative 10x plus 2x, negative 8x, okay, and negative 5. And if you used a different method, you should get the same answer. If you multiplied them in a different order, you should also get the same answer. Okay, let's look at C, because C is an example of one where I wouldn't do it in left to right. If I see something that looks easier, I'm going to do it that way. So I have x plus 3 times 2x minus 5 times 2x plus 5. Okay, now the 2x minus 5, 2x plus 5, I recognize as a difference of squares. If you recognize that you know the answer to this because it's a difference of squares, I would do that first because it'll be easier. 2x minus 5 times 2x plus 5, 2x times 2x is 4x squared, minus 5 times positive 5 is negative 25. Okay, I did those two first, so now I need to bring down the x plus 3. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and distribute this now. So x times 4x squared, 4x cubed, negative 25x, positive 12x squared, 3 times negative 20, negative 75. Okay, let me just put this in standard form because I don't see any like terms. Okay, so I got 4x cubed plus 12x squared minus 25x minus 75. And if you did it in a different order, you should get the same answer. If you used a different method, you should get the same answer. Okay, let's go ahead and do one more. Okay, x minus 4 cubed looks like it should be so easy, but it's not because this is x minus 4 times x minus 4 times x minus 4. Okay, and I still need to start with 2. So let me just start with these two. Some of you can do this in your head. This is x squared minus 4x is minus 8x. Minus 4 times minus 4 is positive 16. Okay, now I still need to times it by the x minus 4. Okay, let's try this now. X cubed minus 4x squared minus 8x squared plus 32x plus 16x minus 64. Okay, combine your like terms and then put it in standard form. Okay, and if you boxed methoded or did something different, we should have the same answer and we should have approximately the same steps. Okay, go ahead and try the practice problems. When you're done, you can check your answers with the solutions posted on the calendar.